Where are you taking those socks? Socks? Are you collecting socks? You're gonna eat socks now? You've been running back and forth, taking these socks over to this table. What are you gonna do? What's he gonna do now? Are you gonna eat socks? Socks. Which one's the blue one? Where's blue socks? Which one's blue? Blue. Which one's the blue one? Blue. That one has blue on it, I think. Yay! Leo knows which one's blue. Oh, it looks like you're eating them, huh? Where's your other socks? You have more on the table over there. Leo. You gonna count? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counting all of them. 1, 2. You gonna count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the same one. 6. You counting your socks? You gonna get some more? Are you gonna go get some more socks? Where's the rest of the socks? Yeah? Where are you gonna put? You gonna put them back? Where's the rest of them? All right. More socks. You gonna eat them again? You gonna count some more? Oh, more socks. Good. You gonna come up and count them? What are you doing? You gonna count socks? So many socks. Yeah. Awesome. Cameron's mommy gave us socks. Thank you, Cameron. Socks. So many socks. Yeah. Gonna count? Let's count. Leo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Good job. You got 9 pairs of socks. You want to get some more? More. There's more on the table over there. Over there on the table. What's Killy's doing? Hey, little Killies. Drooly boy. Hey, get down. Yeah, Mama pump some milk. Yep, pump. All right. Say bye-bye. Uh-oh. Socks on the floor. What are you going to do with that? Silly. Say bye to the camera. Leo, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.